Salam guys, indeed not true. Welcome back to Amharic in Culture. For those of you who are new here, my name is Radi8 and I'm your Amharic bestie. First things first, I want to say thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. That's so many people learning Amharic. And for those of you who are not subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and push that notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And also comment what videos you want me to do next. This specific video, for example, came from a TikTok comment. I take your comments very seriously, and your idea might be my next video. So make sure to comment, make sure to interact with everyone. I want us to have like a little Amharic community. So thank you for being here. I love you guys, and let's get right into the Amharic. So today's topic is personal health and well-being, and this topic, like I said, came from TikTok. So I'm gonna just give you a bunch of vocab about to get to know your body parts, to say help me, to know what the hospital is, you know, things like that. So basically I'm gonna cover body parts, I'm gonna talk about any emergency situations you might be in, just give you a bunch of vocab to hopefully help you in these situations. So first things first, we're gonna get right into the body parts in Amharic. So let's start from the top of the head, okay? I'm gonna just describe my entire body. First things first, we have hair. Hair in Amharic is ጸጉር. Melas. And then we have our chin is agach. Our neck is angat. And then we have tikasha. Shoulders are tikasha. And then from there we have legs are igir. Is leg, and egroch is legs, and then edge is hand. Edge is your hand. Edge. At is one finger. Atoch are fingers. Aurat at is your thumb. Aurat at. So make sure to like this video with your aurat ats. Gulbat is your knees. Knees are gulbat. Your stomach is your hod. Stomach. Hod. And then your waist is wagab. Wagab is waist. So basically that is most of the major body parts. Obviously the rest you can dive deep into to figure out every single body part, but we don't have time for that. So I wanted to kind of cover the major body parts and then talk about your health and well-being associated with those body parts. So For example, to say I'm not feeling well in Amharic, I'm not feeling well, you can say ያመኛል, ያመኛል. ያመኛል means ያመኛል or እያመመኝ ነው. እያመመኝ ነው, እያመመኝ ነው means I don't feel well, something is hurting me. So I don't feel well in Amharic is እያመመኝ ነው. Or you can say አቴን ያመኛል, which means my finger is not feeling well. And then ይወጋኛል, ይወጋኛል is I feel a sharp pain. I feel a sharp pain in Amharic is ይወጋኛል, ይወጋኛል. And then when you feel something burning, you can say ያቃጥለኛል, ያቃጥለኛል. Something is burning me, ያቃጥለኛል. So my stomach, ሆዴ ያቃጥለኛል, or something like that. Like when something is like burning you, when you feel like a sense of, when you feel like something is burning, you can say ያቃጥለኛል or እያቃጠለኝ ነው, እያቃጠለኝ ነው. So like if your eyes are burning, you can say አይኔ እያቃጠለኝ ነው, እያቃጠለኝ ነው. And then when you feel dizzy, you can say ያዞረኛል, ያዞረኛል, ያዞረኛል. I feel dizzy, ያዞረኛል. For example, you can say my head hurts, ራሴን ያመኛል. My head is hurting. ራሴን ያመኛል. ራስ, remember, is head. So ራሴን ያመኛል means my head hurts. And then a headache, specifically, headache is ራስ ምታት. ራስ ምታት. ራስ ምታት. ራስ ምታት is headache. ራስ ምታት. And then beyond ራስ ምታት, a headache, or saying ራሴን ያመኛል, you can say I have ትኩሳት. ትኩሳት, ትኩሳት. ትኩሳት is a fever. ትኩሳት, ትኩሳት is fever. And then ማቅለሽለሽ, ማቅለሽለሽ in Amharic is when you feel nausea. So ማቅለሽለሽ is nausea. ማቅለሽለሽ, ማቅለሽለሽ is nausea, nausea. ተቅማጥ, this is so bad. ተቅማጥ, ተቅማጥ is diarrhea. ተቅማጥ, ተቅማጥ is diarrhea. And then when you vomit, vomit is ትውከት, 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 ትውከት is vomit. And then the verb to throw up, the verb to throw up though is ማስመለስ. So ማስመለስ means to throw up, like the action of throwing up is ማስመለስ, and then ትውከት is what actually comes out. So ማስመለስ is to throw up and ትውከት is vomit. And then when you have stomach cramps, that's ቁርጠት, ቁርጠት, ቁርጠት. Okay, so those are some of the symptoms that you might be feeling. And now let's move on to like what you would find in the clinic or in a hospital. Hospital in Amharic is hospital. So it's the same thing with a little bit of an accent. Hospital. At the hospital, what would you find? Hakim or doctor. These are the same things. Hakim or doctor. And doctor or hakim. Okay? These are synonyms. Doctor means hakim, and doctor and hakim mean doctor. So doctor in Amharic could either be hakim or doctor. And then a nurse is just a nurse. Nurse is nurse. ሕክምና, ሕክምና, similar to hakim. ሕክምና is treatment. Treatment is ሕክምና. And then therefore takami, takami is the patient. The patient is takami. Ena, ena in Amharic is health. Health. Ena is health. So we're gonna talk a lot about ena today. If you lived in Ethiopia, there's this thing called Enat area, which is a health center. So if you're in Ethiopia, there's a lot of health centers and clinics versus like giant hospitals. So Inat Abia is like a clinic. Inat Abia means health center. Inat Abia. And then at the Inat Abia or the hospital, the clinic, you'll find a marfe, which means a needle. Needle in Amharic is marfe. Medicine is medhanits. Medicine is medanits. And then medanits is medicine, and then the little tablets are called kinin. And then blood is dam. Dam is blood. Dam. Qusel is wound. Wound is qusele. Qusel is wound. So you can be like, I have qusel. Kitabat is vaccine. Kitabat. Okay, so then to say help me when you're in a situation where you have rasmitat or tukusat or something yammameno, something is not good, something is hurting, you can say erduing, which means help me. Erduing is plural, it applies to any gender or plural. So erduing is just help me in general. Erduing. And then to say help me to a guy, you can say erdain. And to say to a girl is erjing. So erjing, erdain, and erduing means help me. So we have hospital, and then we also have hakim bait. So you can either say hospital or hakim bait, which means the house where, like, hakim, where there is a doctor, a healer house. It's the literal translation. That's not the point. The point is, you can either say hospital or you can say hakim bait. These are synonyms. They mean the same thing. Hakim bait is like hospital. Hakim bait. Then another part of you maintaining your well-being is knowing how to respond during an emergency. Emergency in Amharic is adega. Adega. So if you have an emergency, you'd be like, there's adega Allah. There's an emergency. Adega Allah. There's an emergency. The second one is very easy. For police, we just have police. So instead of saying police, you just say police. Lib is heart. Lib is heart. So if you're saying my heart hurts, basically I'm sick in my heart, you can say libbain, my heart. Libbain yammameng. So stomach is hod. You can say hodain, which means my stomach. Hodain yammameng. You can just say that with every part. So basically, in general, if you want to point to a specific part of your body and you say that's basically like I'm sick there, or I am hurting in that specific spot, or I am sick in that specific spot. So in general, you can just list a specific body part and say which means I am hurting in that specific spot, or in general, I am sick. Don't forget to like, comment, and push that notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I post a new video.